Guru shows the goal to disciple and then shows the path of self realization and spiritual practice and its achievement. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. Path of spiritual journey, inner peace, becomes very easy for those who have faith on their Guru and have surrendered completely. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. Peace is liberty in tranquility. Marcus Cicero. बुक नेम अंतर जगत की यात्रा का ज्ञान विज्ञान 2. About the writer and doctor who has written this book, knowledge and science behind inward journey of self-realization is attained by the grace of a guru to the rare fortunate seekers. Book has been written by one of the most profound disciple of Param Pujya Gurudev, Dr. Pranav Pandya, head AWJP. He has worked a lot in the area of scientific spirituality, and this book is a masterpiece in the same area. He lived in close association of his guru, Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya, and had spent much of his life walking on this light path of inner journey and collecting its wonderful and supernatural experiences. As he decided to move on this path of self-realization, he experienced the immense power and blessings. What is inner peace? What is samadhi? Inner peace refers to a state of being mentally and spiritually at peace, with enough knowledge and understanding to keep oneself strong in the face of stress. This book is an exceptional treatise for the wanderers of the inner peace, the seekers of spiritual science and those who are about to start their spiritual journey. In the course of one's spiritual journey, a seeker aims for samadhi, state of internal bliss with no or at least attraction of materialistic world, which is an ultimate goal. Sadhana, refining oneself continuously, paves the path for samadhi. It is a simple journey where you seek and understand yourself outside the realms of religion, race, status, age, place, and environment. When you begin a practice of becoming mindful of your interactions with your inner and outer worlds, you raise your state of consciousness to a new level. This happens very rarely and easily when we keep our mind and brain free from any distractions and negative thoughts and disturbances. How does one go around the initial obstacles of distraction and negative thoughts? In the process, we as beginners have to learn to handle them while they come along. Yoga helps in completing control over fickle-minded thoughts and emotions. This control brings different stages of mind under control with various steps. As told by all those who have experienced the happiness and contention that is felt after our consciousness is raised to a higher level, letting us to experience that very divine connection is something very different. This may be very easy or even very hard. For whom is the divine connection easy, and for whom is it hard? It is easy for those who have faith on their Guru, divine power, and who have surrendered themselves in full. This book is a perfect guide for wanderers of inner peace and spiritual practice. It actually uncovers the mystery of consciousness. An important aspect and part of spiritual journey is sadhana that restrains one from all bads and evils. It becomes important therefore to decide what are we doing the sadhana for and what result we seek out of it. Believe in the presence of God everywhere. Do every act as you are doing in presence of God, as no negative thought can ever prevail when we feel and believe God is right before us. Awaken consciousness, gain faith and belief in surrenderance. Invitation to our spiritual seekers. Those who have started their spiritual journey can be assured to get new experiences and divine grace once they start assimilating the concept outlined in this book, which they will be able to relate with all the experiences shared by the author observed during the inner journey of self-realization. Excerpts from the book. Leading a spiritual life is the other name of penance. As sadhak, a practitioner committing to refining oneself, moves on the path of inner journey and awakens his consciousness to a higher level, he would identify the root cause for all her problems. Main cause for all sorrows, disturbances in life are mainly ignorance, ego, greed, malice, and anger. Maharishi Patanjali. Biggest enemy is attachment. Feeling of pleasure and happiness give rise to attachment. Keeping and perpetuating grudges pave the way for one's downfall. In over attachment with one's physical body lies the foundation of fear of death. Real and true obstacles observed in the path of spiritual growth are our own deeds, karma done in the past. A person cannot be called a sadhak or a yogi if he is not fulfilling his duties. Maharishi Patanjali. End of all attachment will only enlighten the lamp of true wisdom. Few topics covered in the book: uncovering the mystery of consciousness, what is the purpose of life, the only way to get rid of sorrows, freedom from ignorance leads to perfection, present and future is born from the womb of the past, how to avoid inauspicious deeds and their effects, Ashtanga Yoga of Maharishi Patanjali, Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Sadhana, Dhyan, and Samadhi.